Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video I'm going to share with you updates on the two tokens, the DRK token and the DPET token. So let's start. So this is our latest chart on DPET token, and this is from poocoin.up. You can check the chart there. And so let's use our Fibonacci retracement. So for those who are asking me if the coin would go up or down, this is my answer. So I hope my answers can help you decide when to buy and sell your coins. Okay, so we have here our Fibonacci retracement, my very favorite indicator among all. So this is my guide whenever I trade, because without Fibonacci, it feels like I am trading blindly. So we have here, guys, the golden ratios of the Fibonacci. We have the 0.618, 0.5, and 0.382. Now, for those who are asking me if the price would go further up, my answer, guys, will be you have to wait. Okay, you have to wait until the candles break this price, this line, this $6.2. Once the price of the token goes higher than this, it's gonna create another all-time high. Okay, and that means the price would really go further up. Okay, and for those who are asking me if the token's price would go down, this is my answer. You have to wait again, guys, for the candles. Okay, so you have to take note of your three golden ratios. First will be the 0.382, is this line. Okay, now let's remove this first so you can see the line that I am referring to. Okay, so this is our 0.382 line. Okay, and this is $4.0676. Okay, um, you have to wait for the candles to break this price. And once this line, guys, this price is broken by the candle, there is a possibility that the price would go down until $3.3. Okay, and once, guys, this line is broken again by the candles, there is another higher possibility that it's gonna go down, okay, further down up to $2.6. All right, and once, guys, this 0.618, the 0.618 is a very strong support. Okay, but once this is broken by the candles, the price would really go further down until 0.4. There is a possibility that it would reach 0.4. Okay, but this is a very strong support. All right, this is stronger than 0.5 and 0.32. Okay, so you have to take note of those lines. All right, so you have to check your DPET token chart all the time and see where the candles go, up or down. All right, so next, let's check the DRK token. Okay, guys, this is the recent chart of DRK naman. So let's have a look of the price. Okay, so we already have our Fibonacci here plotted. And this time you have to check our golden ratios again, which are 0.382, 0.5, and the 0.618. So at the moment, guys, the price is at $0.02. Okay, so let's plot here. It's in between the 0.05 and 0.382 line. So our market, our chart for DRK is at range. So this is not the best time to do scalping, no, if you have the plan to do scalping. Do not really trade on a range because it might give you false signals. Your indicators might give you false signals. Anyway, so for those who are asking me if the price of the DRK token would go higher or lower, my answers would be like this. So for those who are asking me if it's gonna go up, you have to wait, guys, for the candles to break the 0.5 line. It's here, okay? The 0.03 or 0.229 dollars. Okay, you have to wait for the candles to break that candle, and once to break that price, and once that price is broken by the candles, it would go further up, okay, up to $0.03. All right. And guys, the 0.618, you have to be very careful. This is a strong resistance. And once the price reaches here, it might bounce down again because this is a strong resistance. Okay. But once, guys, the candles break this line, this 0.618, the price would really go further up. Until what? Until $0.05. Okay, that's the highest price that I could give you. Okay, and for those who are asking me if the price would go down, all right, my answer would be you have to wait again. You have to wait for the candles to break the 0.382 support line. Okay, this is a support line. And once the candles, guys, break this line, it's gonna go further down. All right, so that's it. So when is the best time to buy? Okay, when the candles break the zero point 0.5, that's the best time to buy because the price has a tendency to go up until 0.03. So that's the best time to sell naman. Okay, and then you have to wait again for the candles to break 0.618. That's another opportunity to buy. And you have to set your take profit at, you can set it at this line, 0.04 if you want to be conservative. All right. So that is my prediction regarding the prices of the DRK token. So I hope this very basic, no, very simple lang talaga na technical analysis can help you guys to decide when to buy and sell the tokens. Okay, so these are my pieces of advice to those who are planning to get involved on this one. And for those who are already starting, I hope that these tips or pieces of advice could help you. Okay, number one, you have to make research a habit. Okay, your number one reliable source is yourself, followed by the information you get directly from the web. And next will be the related information coming from the people around you who you find reliable. Okay, and before you take someone's information as a fact, true or faulty, you need to see to yourself that you have researched first. Okay, you have to confirm it. And you have to be very meticulous when it comes to information. All right? Do not just read from one source. You have to gather a lot of sources and make sure that everything is consistent. All of the information is consistent. And guys, yourself is your number one friend here when it comes to researching. All right? And this can be very demanding when it comes to time and effort, but it's worth it. I guarantee you that. And guys, ignorance hurt. So you have to avoid it. And if you have questions, you can ask people who know something about it, but you cannot really expect them to provide you with the information that you need as soon as possible. So you need to look for answers all by yourself. Kakampi mo talaga yung sarili mo. All right? Number two, do not just go with the trend. Just because something is trending doesn't mean you can just go with it impulsively. Okay, you have to make sure that you know what you're going to get involved to. You need to understand the risks and benefits you will get from it, and you have to weigh things out. Okay, you need to be well equipped of what you will need. Number one, knowledge. Avoid being FOMO'd or the fear of missing out. Okay, ang daming ganyan. If you are not sure at all, there are many opportunities out there. I swear, this is not the only opportunity available around you. Just like me, I just don't, I just, I just didn't invest in Binimon alone. Okay? I have a lot of investments. Okay, next, equip yourself. Okay, sending, depositing, account creation, etc. These are very basic and you need to know this. So you can do these transactions all by yourself without asking someone to do this for you. Not everyone is going to be available for you anytime you need them. So you have to teach yourself to rely not on others but on yourself. Okay? And if possible, learn the terms used like wallet address, spot, limit sell, etc. Knowing them might take some time, but they are very important. Next, never exchange your money for convenience. Warning, guys. Never ever entrust your money to anyone. Never ask someone to do transactions for you, especially from strangers. Okay? Those are people who have good intentions out there. There are a lot out there actually, but if you want to save yourself from scammers, I really discourage you to do this. Okay? If you do not want to see yourself crying over the hard-earned money, that you lost. Do not entrust it to someone you do not know. But if you know the person, if you think the person is reliable, it's all up to you according to your judgment. If the person is really credible enough, then you can just go with it. Okay, but just make sure that you will not lose your money. Okay, just make sure that the person is not a scammer. Please lang, no? And yeah, that's just a warning because there are a lot of scammers already online who are selling tokens, and I don't want the same thing to happen to you guys. Next, understand that there is a risk here. Okay, this is cryptocurrency. The market is uncertain. That's why you need to back up your decisions with technical analysis. That's why I do technical analysis all the time. And even if you have the best technical analysis, it's not going to be 100% accurate all the time. All right? That's why you need to invest only whatever you can afford to lose. Do not invest everything that you have, and do not ever borrow money just so you can invest on this one. This is a game. All right. The future of these coins is uncertain. The future of NFT games is also uncertain. There are factors that will affect the future of crypto, the value of token. That's why you need to risk only whatever you can afford to lose. All right. Because, guys, whatever happens, whatever goes wrong, you have to take responsibility and accountability on that and promise it hurts a lot. And lastly, assess your emotional management. If your intuition tells you that this is a scam or there is something wrong with this, okay, you have to believe yourself. Save yourself from pain. This is risk, so you cannot tell the future. If something goes wrong, you cannot blame anyone again, but only yourself. So if you have poor emotional management when it comes to losing, do not get involved on this one. Okay, just a fair warning. But if you are a risk taker, just like me, go for it. Okay, and learn from your errors, learn from your mistakes. So those are the 6 practical pieces of advice that I can give you guys. I hope that those can help. And just uh, just a note to everyone, all the content I have in my channel are purely coming from the internet and coming from my research. Okay. And if you want to know those information also, if you want to gather information, you can just always check the internet. And whatever information I get, guys, I would tell you right away. I would disclose it right away to you. You know, because I believe that everyone deserves to know. Everyone has the right to be informed. And so those who are asking me about the developers of the game Binimon, those who are asking me about the CEO, the sponsors, I still do not have the information with me, guys. I also don't have the white paper. All I have is a Draken white paper and the roadmap of the game. Okay. But aside from those, I have nothing else to give. But if I already have them, guys, if given the chance, I would be very happy to share them with you. And also, guys, I do not promote the Binimon game. Okay, I am just sharing in this channel my experiences and my researches, and I will also tackle other topics related to cryptocurrency. Okay, and I will also tackle another NFT game sooner. And I also do not accept transactions regarding the DRK token. So whoever uses my name, please, it's not me. And also, I have my social media accounts in the description below. So if you want to connect with me, you can just choose among those links. And I cannot guarantee you that I can respond right away, but if I have the time, I would really give my best to respond right away. I also have other priorities kasi. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you learned something. And shout out to my friends in Discord. Again, thank you so much for because something sad happened to me recently in our group chat. And I really appreciate what they did for me. Thank you so much for the support and for the love. Yeah, and I really appreciate you guys, and I can't thank you enough. And if there is a way that I could thank you, I would really do it. It's just that we're miles and miles away, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something. And if you're new to my channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.